bird hit our window. Or screen door, whatever one he... Yeah, look at him. Does he feel cool?
Hmm?
Does he feel cool?
Yeah.
Have you ever held a bird before?
Yeah. Just our own birds.
Oh, he looks good now. Poor birdie.
He just hit his head really hard.
Do you think he'll be able to fly? Should I get a box? Should I?
He's probably just stunned.
Flying into the windows, because the thing is like, they think it's like, oh, I'm going to fly to this area. It looks exactly like what I see over there, but that's okay. And they fly right into the window and we're like, ugh.
Oh, looks invisible. Well, they see the reflection, right? They see the trees and stuff like that fly towards it.
Let me see him. Look at him. Oh, he's actually pretty big. Oh, poor birdie. I'm gonna name you Jeffrey. Or actually, if you're a girl, I don't know. Don't know which gender.
He hit his head. Let's see where he hit his head. Maybe he was chasing a bug, you never know.
Probably. It wasn't the cats, it was a bird. I was right, I'm like, what if something hit the window? Poor birdie.
Maybe get a little bowl of cold water or something.